Do you ever open your phone just to check one message and suddenly realize 1 hour has disappeared? You were not lazy, you were hijacked. Every notification, swipe, and red dot is designed to pull your brain like a slot machine. Neuroscience shows that unpredictable rewards release dopamine, the same chemical involved in gambling and addiction. Your phone is not a tool anymore. It is a portable casino in your pocket. And the scariest part? You don't even enjoy it. You just can't stop. But here's the good news. If addiction is built by design, freedom can also be built by design. Let's uncover why this happens and how to take your mind back.
Your brain has two systems, the thinking brain, prefrontal cortex, and the reacting brain, dopamine system. Phones talk directly to the reacting brain. Every scroll promises novelty. Every refresh offers a chance of reward. This is called variable reward conditioning, the same mechanism used in casinos and social media. Medical studies show that frequent dopamine spikes lower your ability to feel pleasure from normal life. That means food tastes dull, work feels heavy, silence feels painful, so your brain goes back to the phone to feel something again. You don't lack discipline, you have a hijacked reward system. Now, let's reset it.
Turn your screen gray. Color activates dopamine. Grayscale kills stimulation. Psychology shows that color increases emotional arousal. Removing color removes excitement. Your phone becomes boring. Boring breaks addiction. Move apps off your home screen. Your brain reacts to what it sees. If TikTok isn't visible, you don't feel the urge. This uses stimulus control, a therapy method used to treat addiction. Out of sight, out of craving. Use the 10-second rule. When you feel the urge, wait 10 seconds. Neuroscience shows cravings peak and fall quickly. Delay weakens impulse. You win by pausing. Replace, don't remove. Your brain hates emptiness, so give it a better option. Music, walking, stretching, breathing. Behavior science proves replacement beats resistance. Don't fight the habit, swap it. Keep your phone out of reach. Distance kills temptation. Studies show that when phones are more than 6 feet away, usage drops by over 50%. Willpower is weak. Environment is powerful.
Set app timers. When you see time counting down, your brain becomes aware. This activates the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for control. Awareness breaks autopilot. Use the 3-scroll rule. After 3 scrolls, close the app. This prevents binge loops caused by infinite feeds. You stop before dopamine traps you. Turn off all notifications. Every ping creates stress. Your nervous system stays in alert mode. Silence restores mental balance. Peace is addictive in a good way. Charge your phone outside your bedroom. Sleep improves dopamine regulation. Bad sleep increases addiction. Your brain heals while you rest. Protect that. Schedule phone-free hours. The brain rewires with repetition. Even 30 minutes daily teaches your mind that it can survive without scrolling. Freedom grows with practice. Final payoff. When you control your attention, you control your emotions. When you control your emotions, you control your life. Your phone is not evil, but unconscious use is. Make it a tool, not a master. Don't miss your daily dose of hacks. Subscribe now. Drop your problem in the comments and consider it solved in the next video.